Welcome again, beta. We are in a series of lectures regarding animal kingdom, and this is probably our last lecture of the series. So, beta, this is Kafkaran about animal kingdom. We are actually talking about class Vertebrata. Class Vertebrata to superclass Vertebrata has been further divided into class Amphibia. We have talked about Amphibia, then class Reptilia. We also talked about class Reptilia. Then is class Aves and Mammalia. बेटा तो as we are previous lectures नु था में तो assignment mammalian hin characters पाने लिखे. तो आज करो इसका about the general characters of class Aves. So let us talk about general characters of class Aves. Beta, Aves also means birds. Aves also means birds. So I should talk about general characters of class Aves. Aves also refers to the birds. Now look here. So far as class Aves is concerned, birds and birds, goodness has important points yard. Number first point is the yard largest flying bird is albatross. Albatross is regarded as largest flying bird. Largest flying bird. सारी खुद bird using flight shukara, that is albatross. This is point number one. Point number two is that ostrich. Ostrich is the largest bird. अगर albatross जो largest flying bird, मगर largest bird on the whole is ostrich. Basically because कि ostrich one among the flightless birds. Ostrich and flight करने last. So ostrich is the largest flying bird. Largest bird, sorry. Largest bird is ostrich, but ostrich is a flightless bird, while as albatross is the largest flying bird. Smallest bird is hummingbird. Hummingbird is regarded as smallest bird. Hummingbird, it is the smallest bird. Another feature, another important point to be remembered, the most fastest flying bird is swift. Swift is the fastest bird. Fastest bird is swift. Another term that to be remembered is that various birds extinct again. Most recently used bird extinct go. That is dodo. Dodo is the most recently extinct bird. Most recently extinct bird. The study of birds is called as ornithology. Ornithology is regarded as study of birds. India's most eminent scientist, most eminent scientist who dealt with birds was Dr. Salim Ali. Dr. Salim Ali was the most eminent ornithologist from India. He is also called as Birdman of India. Dr. Salim Ali is regarded as Birdman of India. So, before we proceed about the characters of birds, we have to remember these terms. Let's have a quick revision. Largest bird is ostrich, but largest flying bird is albatross. Number next thing, smallest bird is hummingbird. Swift is the fastest bird. Fastest flying bird is swift. Dodo. Dodo is regarded as most recently extinct bird. Ornithology is the branch of biology that deals with study of birds, and Dr. Salim Ali is regarded as Birdman of India. Now let us proceed towards the general characters of aves or general characters of birds. First character of birds is that most commonly birds are aerial. They exploit air as a medium of their activity. The aerial condition can also be regarded as volant. So it's one of birds are such aerial creatures most commonly. Yeah, birds are volant creatures. Volant means flying creatures. Second character is that bird body is streamlined. Once again, ये bird fission his body is streamlined. Bird his body is streamlined. Bird his body is divisible into head. Bird body is divisible into neck. Bird body is then divisible into trunk. And the last part of the body is tail. So, body of the birds is divided into head, neck, trunk and tail. Important point is to note करें automatically by so on note. Next feature of the body is that bird body is feather clad. Bird and his body should cover current feathers. या यही कथ वनो इस part के bird body हसा छे feather clad. So, because bird body is feather clad, it is covered by feathers. About the feather, we should remember that feather is a modified scale. It is believed that birds have originated from reptiles. Birds are reptile reptile and his body is covered by scales. Consequently, it is said that bird body bird body feathers. Feathers are actually modified scale. Now feathers have been further classified. Feathers have been classified as retrices. You get long feathers. You zan asan chi tailless pet curved long feathers. You tailless pet chasan. Another kind of feathers are called remiges. Remiges are the long straight feathers. Retrices are long curved feathers. You tailless pet chasan. Remiges are long straight feathers. You chasan. Wings and pet. Short type of feathers, another kind, these are called as plumes. And chasan hair-like feathers, these are called as phyloplumes. So, yim bird body pet feathers chasan, timan chhe tzor qism. Retrices, remiges, plumes and phyloplumes. Next feature of the bird body is that birds use their tail as steering. Birds should panun tail karan istemal as steering. As steering means that part of the body which is helpful in the changing of the direction. It part guide kunti guide ch bont kan asan steering. Yethe part ch birds ti ch steering magar amis ch pat kai. You should panun tail karan istemal as steering. Agar birds hyor as kasun yival panun tail bon. Agar birds bon as pasun ye khal panun tail hyor. Agar birds dachun as salun ye phir panun tail khovur. Agar birds khovur as salun ye phir panun tail dachun gun. So bird should panun tail karan istemal as steering. Tailless bont can use region chasan that is called pygostyle. Tailless bont can use region chasan that is called pygostyle. Next feature of birds is that sari birds ch flight karan. Magar kenzo bird ch panin flight karma secondarily lost. Those birds which have lost their flight are regarded as flightless birds. Those birds that have lost their flight are regarded as flightless birds. The important flightless birds are ostrich, kiwi, emu, cassowary, Americans, penguin. These are regarded as flightless birds. Let's have a quick revision. Winston Cook characters which has bird and mudlik. Number first character of birds is that birds are aerial creatures or they are volant creatures. Yim cha hawa se istemal karan as medium of their activity. Number second feature is that bird body is streamlined. It is divisible into head, neck, trunk and tail. Another feature is that bird body is feather clad. It is covered by feathers. And by feather, because birds evolved gamete, originate gamete from reptiles. So, reptile and his body is covered by scales. So, scale inherit karmas bird, magar sa scale pat modify gamas. Ta scale is benefit feathers. So, it's one of the feather has actually modified reptilian scale. Besides that, feathers are further classified as rectrices, remiges, plumes and phyloplumes. Another feature of the bird body is that the last portion of the body, tail, is used by birds as steering. The tail has a muscular region that is called pygostyle. The main mode of locomotion is flight in case of birds, but some birds have secondarily lost their flight. These birds are regarded as flightless birds. Important flightless birds are ostrich, kiwi, emu, cassowary, ree and penguin. Let us talk about further characters. Further characters of birds. It is expected that yim characters board aspects lekhan yim tarif to aspect automatically develop karun automatically by next node. Number next feature. Another feature of birds is that in case of birds the skin is dry. Bird and skin should dry asan. General skin should devoid of any kind of glands. However, bird body must show a gland asan that is called a preen gland. There is a singular gland present in the bird body that is called a preen gland. Preen gland is an oil producing gland just below the tail. You shock oily secretion per the current preen gland. The preen gland should latest talcan located. Preen gland is much oil asan present. And that oil is used by the bird for dressing of feathers. Dressing of feathers. Where's the beta? In general, bird and skin dry. Magar bird and hindi sickness can show akui gland, that gland is preen gland. Preen gland show oil producing gland, you should latest talcain asa. Occasionally, matlab, agar toy wushmut asu subha yel kam bird should wathan ya kunti sat bird should occasionally panin tuant nivan latest path kun. That actually ye tuant panin maslam birds agar body mas kunjai khashki base. Birds agar dryness base sickness mas. Ye chu karan kam agar toy keenly bird observe kariu toy vichu ye chu panin tuant nivan latest path kun. And but you preen gland as manzanan ye tuant dip karit badnai as toint manchu ladan oil but you bird the mathan you oil ye tetem sickness per dryness base. So consequently ye should panon preen gland oil istemal karan for the dressing of feathers. Now another feature of bird body, let us talk about it is digestive system. So far as digestive system is concerned, got an important feature to digestive system of ki jaws should modify gamete into beak. Jaws are modified into beak. And beak doesn't possess teeth. No teeth are present. Bird and his tointimans chana dand asan ke. However, interesting kachi ke yemsat bird sun chick chasan agasmans. Emis godne tooth buds per the gasan patchitim tooth buds gasan loss. Yishak evolutionary evidence. Yasto deal kari, yasto study kari in your 12th class. Magar filal thawa yaad bird and his jaws should modify gamete into beak. Beaks and mulchum dan present asan ke. Besides that, yes, bird and his beak should tuant should. Our beak should pat can keratin ka cover banai. Horny sheath banai. Horny means made up of keratin. Keratin chu dead hard protein yus animal his body hindis sickness pe various structures chu banavan. Masalan soin nam chu banemit keratin protein. Janvaran hinden hangan chu petkin keratin coating. Yithai pat janvaran hinden padran etc. Yithai pat him hasa birds cha asan. Birds an hinse tonti chu petkin cover keratin protein. That keratin protein kis covers chais mana rhamphotheca. Rhamphotheca. The beak is covered by a horny sheath. The beak is covered by a keratin covering, and that keratin covering is called a rhamphotheca. Then, the feature to alimentary canal is important. Use burden hun stomach. Burden hun stomach. That is divided into two parts. Stomach bears two parts. Number first part is called a crop. Number second part is called a gizzard. So stomach is divisible into two parts, crop and gizzard. Crop go kashir part bos, gizzard go kashir part want. This part is cocked putis chu vichan. And which bos asan yatmans ye gizzard chu temporarily store karan. And but chemis a muscular part, crashing part. Yatmans basic digestion chu gasan. That part is called a gizzard. So stomach is differentiated into two important parts. Number first is crop, number second is gizzard. Besides that, intestine is divided into small intestine as well as large intestine. Small and large intestine. Intestine is well divided into small and large intestine. And alimentary canal opens to the exterior through cloaca. So these are important pointers regarding the digestive system of birds. Beta bekhe dhyan, bird and jaws modified into beak. Beak lacks teeth. The beak is covered by a horny covering, by a keratinous covering. That keratinous covering is called a rhamphotheca. Stomach is divisible into crop and gizzard. Intestine is divisible into small and large intestine. And alimentary canal opens to the exterior through cloaca. There is no anus, there is cloaca. That means urine as well as undigested food chu ake opening kin pass gasan. Basically bird use rek shu karan. Ta beatus mas rek mano is beat thi. Yes bird beat cha asan. Ta chi z component. Ta man chi urine te asan present. Ta man chi stool te asan present. Bird and his reki use safed part chasan. That white portion is actually urine of the birds. It comprises of uric acid and other pathus bati colored portion too. That colored portion is actually the stool of birds. Acha Google. Dakar feature has a karo is cut about respiratory system. Respiration is first of all pulmonary. Pulmonary means respiration takes place by what we call it as lungs. Magar bird lungs chit compressed. Bird lungs chit compressed yim chini titya inflated ke. Bird hin lungs chit compressed with the posterior region of the vertebral column. Consequently, this is an adaptation for flight. And but the outstanding feature to bird respiratory system as ye ke lungs of pyachi extend gasan air sacs. Air sacs is direct supply of oxygen given to the organs. Interesting feature of the bird respiratory system. For example, agar is pani lungs nimo, let me suppose this is trachea. Trachea bifurcates into bronchi. Bronchi and switch lungs like. So lungs are located in the thoracic cavity and that is all. Lungs and under can chill locket thela timan mano air sacs. Air sacs chu oxygen ratan pachi air sac and in the blood vessels oxygen chu oxygen exchange chu gasan timan blood vessels. However, bird and hindel langan chak independent design. Because bird chu flight karan emiche enormous amount of energy zorat. Flight is chu birds energy zorat doyo purpose of khata. Akchemis energy zorat for propelling forwards. Bechemis energy zorat to fight the force of gravity. So bird body ch enormous supply of oxygen zorat. Lihaza kya ch natural design banoma bird and hindel lango pyak ch nera tail ear sacs. Tim directly open gasan, particularly inside the flight muscles. So, ear sacs should direct supply of oxygen given to these organs. Yet baki animal in his body mans ear sacs confined only to the lungs. Bird and mans ear sacs extend gasan lungs mans never extend gasan to various regions of the body, particularly to the flight muscles. So let's have a general revision of these important characters. Back character which I see bird skin has such a dry. मगर आ ड्राई सिकनेस में अकुई ऑयल प्रोड्यूसिंग ग्लैंड ताकि वनन प्रीन ग्लैंड इज प्रेजेंट जस्ट बिलो द टेल प्रीन ग्लैंडस में युस ऑयल छ आसान बर्ड छ सो ऑयल करन इस्तेमाल फॉर द ड्रेसिंग ऑफ फेदर्स अनदर फीचर अबाउट digestive system jaws are modified into beak is devoid of teeth. Beak is covered by a keratinous covering that is called a rhamphotheca. Stomach is divisible into crop and gizzard. Intestine is divisible into small and large intestine. And alimentary canal leads to the exterior through cloaca. Respiration is pulmonary. Lungs are compressed, but arising from the lungs are air sacs that directly go to the body organs. Now let us talk about the circulatory system of birds. Talking about circulatory system of birds. So far as bird circulation is concerned, circulatory system is of closer type. Heart is four-chambered, like in case of mammalia. Mammalian man's four-chambered heart, two auricles, two ventricles. Bird body man's the four-chambered heart. There are two auricles, two ventricles. Besides that, bird RBCs are nucleated. And what is more interesting is that bird and hindis birdas man's abundance of RBCs asan. Bird and hindis birdas man's insan se khot 3 times RBCs asan zyada. Tamik matlab go bird blood should capable of carrying oxygen 3 times more as in case of human beings. So consequently, the number of RBCs should bird blood zyada. Accordingly, the bird blood is more viscous, which is zyada mota asan. Maslan, yem saat tuk vichan chu yuthes kokur chu, matlab kokar pudis yuthes khash karan. Yusemis blood chu neran, tahman chasan suchasan zyada mota. So it is zyada dark red asan. Agar I compare karan with human blood or the blood of any other mammals. Basically because ki bird blood RBC is zyada asan. Asha Gubur. Back important feature talking about the excretory system. Excretion takes place through metanephric kidneys. Yith part mammal and metanephric kidneys, yith part birds and his kidneys the metanephric. Back feature कि bird kidneys possess longest loop of Henle. Nephron manch loop of Henle. Bird and hinder nephron manch loop of Henle asan various zod. Agar to yaad aisvo toichu me agda vonmut use nephron and loop of Henle chu that is actually meant for the concentration of urine. So consequently the bird and urine chu far more concentrated as compared to the human urine. Bird excrete karan almost solid urine. Bird uricotelic. Even urine should comprise karan of uric acid. So this extremely concentrated urine is produced by the long loops of Henle that are present inside the bird nephrons. So birds has such a beta uricotelic. Bird uricotelic. Uricotelic means their chief excretory waste is uric acid. Besides that, birds lack urinary bladder. They don't possess urinary bladder. They don't have a mechanism to store their urine. You have the following urine store. Now let us talk about nervous system. Nervous system as usual divided into central nervous system, peripheral nervous system, autonomic nervous system. Tren parten mans nervous system divide. There are 12 pairs of cranial nerves. Number of cranial nerves emerging from the brain is 12 pairs. Number of nerves emerging from the brain is 12 pairs. There are 12 pairs of cranial nerves. So far as the sense organs are concerned, regarding sense organs, yim birden hin sense organs che, birds have the keenest sense of sight. Keenest sense of sight. Birden manch sense of sight. ज़्यादा कीन आसान बर्डन हिंद ऑप्टिक लोब्स इंसान से ऑप्टिक लोब खुद बड़ बर्डन मन वुचनुक ताकत सारी खुद ज्यादा पावरफुल बिसाइड्स दैट अगर ये कत वनो बर्डन हिंज अच मन आसान 14 टाइप्स ऑफ कोन्स अच्छे पता कि रेटिनास मन दोन किस्मन हिंज सेल रॉड्स एंड कोन्स रॉड्स दिवान लाइट विजन कोन्स दिवान कलर विजन now साने अच मन सिर्फ 3 types of cones bird his अच मन 14 types of cones that means bird world is multiply more colored as compared to the human world bird छ वारिया तिम कलर इवन बोजन यम न इंसानस इवन बोजन के अच्छा आत बरकस छ बर्डन आसान poorest or no sense of smell sense of smell ch variya poor in as compared to the mammals bird ch variya poor sense of smell agdo chu toy me vonmut ki pret kanse organisms chu out of the 5 senses akh sense asan dominant to su dominant sense chu determine karan su chu final reasoning karan for the objects मतलब मे तय वोनमुत कि फॉर एग्जांपल अगर अस चारवाई निमोन काव निमोन अमिस डोमिनेंट सेंस स्मेल यह फाइनल फैसला करान सेंस ऑफ स्मेल से इंसानस डोमिनेंट सेंस टच अत बरकस बर्डस डोमिनेंट सेंस साइट अच्छा गुबर so let's have a quick revision so far circulatory system is of closer type heart is 4 chambered RBCs are nucleated besides that RBCs are far more present in greater numbers as compared to the mammalian blood kidneys are metanephric they possess the longest loops of Henle birds are uricotelic they lack urinary bladder nervous system divisible into central nervous system peripheral nervous system autonomic nervous system number of cranial nerves like mammals is 12 pairs birds have the keenest sense of sight there are 14 types of cones present instead of 3 types of cones present in the human eye the poorest sense in the bird body is that of smell acha beta now let us finally talk about reproduction let us finally talk about the feature this feature is about reproduction talking about reproduction reproduction is sexual known to all of us burden sexual reproduction and known to all of us once again sexes are separate fertilization internal fertilization tamik matlab go male capable of depositing sperms within the female body coitus sexual act gasan by means of a process that is called colloquial kiss sexual act is performed by means of a process that process is called colloquial kiss by colloquial kiss we mean during the course of coitus sexual act birds panin collo karalavan during that process male panin sperms deposit karan within the female body acha birds are oviparous means they are egg laying you eggs karan lay now bird and hin eggs chasan cleidoic it bird is reptile and mans bush cleidoic eggs are those eggs that contain shell to bird and hin eggs and hin shell chasan calcareous ad barakas chumya toy monmut bird and hin the imasa reptile and hin their eggs and use shell chasan that is leathery that is made up of leather so this much about the reproduction of birds. Reproduction is sexual, sexes are separate, fertilization is internal. Reproduction takes place by a process that is called a colloquial kiss. During the course of sexual activity, birds panin colloquial alavan. The yemsatyam z colloquial alavan, tani switch male panin sperms deposit karan within the female body. The birds oviparous, birds egg-laying organisms. यही एग्स क्लीडॉइक ब्रोट पता कि एग्सन ज किस्म क्लीडॉइक एग्स नॉन क्लीडॉइक एग्स क्लीडॉइक एग्स गई तम यमन कंड नॉन क्लीडॉइक एग्स गई यमन कंड कह बर्डन हिंद एग्स क्लीडॉइक तो यहज कंड यहुंद शेल बनोमुत कैल्शियम साल्टन हुंद सो द शेल इज calcareous. So with these words we have finished with the general characters of aves. Birds and hind general characters करेस finished. बेटा लास्ट क्लास यूजन छु vertebrate animals, that is class mammalia. मे छु तो mammalia थोमुत assignment. Once again क्या करियो तो काम यम साथ तो mammalan हिंद characters लिखियो गोडनेथे लिखियो तो habitat मसलन अक्सर mammals छ terrestrial केह छ migrate गमित secondarily into water केह mammals छ volant तम पत मैमलन हिंस बॉडी डिवाइड करें तम पत छु वुचुन मैमलन हिंद सिकनेस पे छ कह करें स्किन छु कवर्ड बाय हेयर्स स्किन छु डिवाइडेड इनटू एपिडर्मिस एंड डर्मिस सिकनेस पे कैन छ ग्लैंड्स प्रेजेंट स्वेट ग्लैंड्स मस्क ग्लैंड सेबेशियस ग्लैंड अमेला हसा छु युस हसा मैमलन हिंस स्किन छु इट इज डिवाइडेड इनटू आउटर एपिडर्मिस इनर डर्मिस पाच मैमलन हिंदिस सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम पे डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम पे एक्सक्रीटरी सिस्टम पे रेस्पिरेटरी सिस्टम पे नर्वस सिस्टम पे तो रिप्रोडक्शन पे एज यूजुअल कह करें वेरी सिंपल एंड विद दीज वर्ड्स वी हैव कंप्लीटेड आवर फर्स्ट टर्म in the subject of zoology. We have completed our first term. We will soon meet together with the topics of second term. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.